So we're in the forest. It's very nice. However, the highway is not very far, as you can see the cars going by. But it's a nice little pathway. Lots of plants, and I'm enjoying it. I like to see the wonderful world of the plants and their diversity and their colors at this time of the year. It's pretty cool. So unfortunately my kids, they're not exactly the forest type. So, but I like this place so much. It gives me time to breathe, to think. I can think clearly in the forest. So it really helps. And it's nice, it's just the right temperature, not too hot, not too cold, just perfect at this time of the year. So I really enjoy walking this path, a dirt path or grass path. So it's kind of nice. So for me it's important. The plants and trees are great healers. They're very sensitive when we enter their bubble or their environment. They can feel us like several meters away from them. They're very smart beings. It's a shame that we don't take more time to meditate in nature. So to listen, to really watch, to really feel what it's like to be in nature. Like for example, look at those beautiful flowers. See? Flowers are believed to be the enlightenment of plants, according to Eckhart Tolle. I believe it's true. Look at all the beautiful flowers in the background. It's amazing. And at this time of the year, you can still harvest plantain, stinging nettle, goldenrod. There's still a lot of plants that are useful at this time of the year. And all the trees are changing colors. It's really nifty. It's really worth your walk in the trail in the dirt path. So this is my 2 cents for today.